I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Turn the key to ACC or on so the Sentra's head unit powers up and is ready to pair. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and keep it visible. This allows the car to find the device. Once done, navigate the car's screen to Settings, then Phone or Bluetooth, and choose Add Device. You're doing this first because the head unit must actively search, making both devices discoverable speeds connection and avoids timeouts. You'll see your phone listed on the Sentra's display. Select that entry so pairing begins. The car and phone will show a PIN, confirm they match, then accept on both devices to authenticate the link. After pairing, the head unit asks for permissions. Grant contacts and messages if you want hands-free calling and caller ID. Make sure media audio is enabled too, otherwise music won't play. These steps secure the connection and let the car finish by setting your phone as the primary or auto-connect device so it joins automatically when you enter the car. Then select Bluetooth as the audio source on the stereo and confirm volumes are up. That ensures calls and music route correctly. If it fails, restart the phone and the car's infotainment, remove old pairings on both devices, and check for system updates. These fix most glitches. If problems persist, try pairing a different phone to isolate whether the issue is the phone or the head unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.